Unboxing and review of DJI Osmo Mobile SE gimbal. The box comes with Osmo Mobile SE gimbal, magnetic phone clamp, tripod, USB to USB-C power cable, storage pouch. The features of this device are 3-axis stabilization, magnetic design, portable and foldable active track, and quick roll. Please like and subscribe. Watch this video till the end for the review. There are videos on YouTube which show how to use this gimbal, so I will not do that. I would review this gimbal based on durability and quality. This is a durable product made for long-term use. The construction is solid. Easy to use, feels good when you hold it in the hand. I have been using this gimbal since the June of 2024 and I have had no issues so far. Quality of this gimbal is decent. What is meant by that is it is definitely better than handheld recording, but the quality is not as good as the expensive gimbals out there. If you have never used a gimbal before and want to buy one, this gimbal should be the starting point. I definitely recommend this gimbal.